Hi Year 4 and welcome to our arithmetic today. So, short date and the title arithmetic into your books please. Pause the video here. Okay, can you please make sure that you have had a go at the test paper for me? And I'm going to go through the last 4 questions with you, which are the ones which are a little bit trickier. So let's have a go at question 22 together. 22 said 1/8 plus 5/8 equals. So as you can see here, I have split my bar into 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have got my 8s. Now I've got 1/8 to start with, so I'm going to colour in 1/8. Then I'm adding to that 5/8. So in a different colour, I'm going to colour in those 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what we have got now. So I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces altogether. So my denominator, the bottom of my fraction, is still going to be 8. I've still got 8 pieces altogether. So that doesn't change. The top of my fraction, however, my numerator, is going to change. How many pieces are coloured in my numerator now? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our numerator is going to be 6. So 1/8 plus 5/8 equals 6/8. Okay, the next question is quite similar. So this time we are taking away. As you can see again, our denominators are the same. We need 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this time I start with 5/7. So I'm going to colour 5/7 in. 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7. This time though, rather than adding some more, we are going to be subtracting 2 sevenths. So I no longer have this 7th and I no longer have this 7th. We've taken these 2 sevenths away. Let's see how many we are left with. 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 pieces left. So my numerator is going to be 3. 3 over what? What would my denominator be? I've still got how many pieces? How many pieces is my bar split into? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my denominator is still going to be 7. 5/7 take away 2/7 equals 3/7. Okay, on to question 24. So we looked at multiplication last week. Let's see if we can just remind ourselves. Now, if I am multiplying a 3-digit number, the easiest thing to do, first of all, is to partition it. So rather than doing 375 times 3, I'm going to partition this 375 up. Can you have a go for me and see what you would partition this into? Well done if you said that you would partition it into 5, 70, and then a 300. They make 375. 375. Now each of our parts now that we've partitioned it into, we need to multiply by 3. So we're going to do 5 times 3. We're going to do 70 times 3. And we're going to do 300 times 3. Hopefully you could all tell me what 5 times 3 is. That's right, 5 times 3 is 15. Now 70 times 3 is where it gets a little bit trickier. But do you know what 7 times 3 is? Ah, yes, 7 times 3 is 21. But I don't want 7 times 3. I want 7 10 times 3. So I'm not going to have 21. I'm going to have 21 tens, which is 210. So 5 times 3 was 15. I knew that 7 times 3 was 21. So 70 times 3 is 210. Finally, 300 times 3. Well, hold on. I know that 3 times 3 is 9. So 300 times 3 would be 900. Well done if you have both. And now, to finish my problem, I just need to add these numbers together. Have a go at that for me and see if you can get yourself the correct answer. And then lastly, question 25 is a subtraction. Again, we looked at these ones last week, didn't we? And we saw that we had to do some exchanging. So we always start with our ones, our column on our right-hand side. 3 take away 8. Can I do 3 take away 8? No, I can't do 3 ones take away 8 ones, can I? So this is where we're going to look at our exchanging. I can't do 3 ones take away 8 ones, so I'm going to have to exchange one of my 10s for 10 ones. So now, rather than 3 ones, I've got 13 ones, and I don't have 2 10s anymore because I exchanged one of them. So I've only got one left. Can we work this out now then? 13 take away 8. What would 13 take away 8 be? Well done if you said 5. Now let's look at our tens column. I've got 1 10, take away 5 tens. Can I do that? Oh, no, I can't. So what am I going to do now? Well done if you thought that we're going to have to exchange one of our hundreds for our tens. So I'm going to have to exchange one of my hundreds. Oh, I only have 100, so that means I'm going to have 0 hundreds left. I'm going to exchange that 100 for 10 tens. So now I have 11 tens. 11 tens subtract 5 tens. What have we got left? Well done if you said that we were going to have 6 tens. Okay, 0 hundreds take away 5 hundreds. Can I do this? Oh no, I can't. That's another exchange we're going to have to do. So this time I'm going to exchange one of my thousands. So I'm not going to have 8,000 anymore. I'm going to have 7,000. And I'm going to exchange that 1,000 for 10 hundreds. So now I've got 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds subtract 5 hundreds. What's that going to give us? Well done if you realise that will give us 5 hundredths. And then lastly, we're going to go on to our thousands. And we've got 7,000. Subtract 3,000. That will give us 4,000. Okay, have a go at the arithmetic test then if you've got any of those questions wrong. Hopefully you've managed to beat your score from last week.